For generations, this melody has stirred hearts, carried hopes, and symbolized the spirit of a nation. It's China's national anthem, March of the Volunteers. And behind it stands a young man, Nie Er. Here in Kunming City, southwest China, this modest wooden house is just where the story of the young musician began. Nie Er was born in 1912 into a family of traditional Chinese medicine. His passion for music grew during his years at Yunnan First Normal School.
While studying at the school, he joined the Communist Youth League and came into contact with a group of young revolutionaries. He was deeply dissatisfied with the situation in China and began to engage with revolutionary ideas, something reflected in many of his diary entries.
In 1930, Nie Er moved to Shanghai. Shortly after, Japan launched large-scale invasion of China. Amid the flames of war, Nie Er refused to follow the popular yet sentimental tunes of the time. He wrote, "What we need is not soft tofu, but the real steel of true combat." He composed many works reflecting the struggles and spirit of ordinary people, including the graduation song and the newspaper selling song.
After coming to Shanghai, he also took part in many stage plays and even acted in films. Later researchers joke that if Nie Er hadn't become a musician, he might well have made a name for himself in theater or cinema.
But it was in 1935 that Nie Er composed the piece that would define his legacy, March of the Volunteers, with the lyrics by Tian Han created as the theme song for a film.
In 1935, as Japan advanced step by step to the south, this song greatly inspired the Chinese people to resist invasion. After the Marco Polo Bridge incident, when the Communist Party of China and the Kuomintang formed a united front against Japan, its influence expanded even further.
Tragically, Nie Er drowned at just 23 while swimming overseas. Despite his early death, this song continued to inspire people worldwide in the fight against fascism. In 1940, American singer Paul Robeson performed it in concert. 4 years later, it appeared in the Hollywood film Dragon Seed, which portrayed Chinese farmers resisting Japanese aggression. In 1949, with the founding of the People's Republic of China, it was officially adopted as the national anthem. Today, Nie Er rests here in Kunming's iconic Western Hills. 90 years on, his music is more than notes on a page. It's a lasting reminder that the power of a song can outlive its composer. Even today, people from all walks of life continue to honor this young musician. In Yuxi City, Nie Er's ancestral home, his spirit has inspired locals to form over 500 choirs.
His conviction that I was born for society and I must work to change it deeply inspires younger generations. We should also learn from him and reflect on what we can do for our country and our hometown.
From humble beginnings to a song embraced worldwide, the March of the Volunteers carries Nie Er's spirit through time. Enshrined in China's Constitution in 2004, it remains a lasting tribute, ensuring his legacy will echo for generations to come. Jinghao, CGTN, Yunnan Province.